Hi guys, welcome back to HaryPhamDev channel. In the previous video, we learned how to create a Facebook page for a chatbot. In this video, we will learn how to create a Facebook app. The Facebook app is where we connect to the Facebook page, which we created earlier. And with the Facebook app, we can use the Facebook APIs to send messages to users. To create a Facebook app, we will need a Facebook developer account. Going to Facebook Developer. This is the Facebook developer page. By default, this page only shows information about Facebook products, so we need to log in as a Facebook developer. To log into this page, we will use a Facebook account. We will log in with the same Facebook account, which we used to create a Facebook page before. This is the Facebook developer interface after logging in. At this page, click on My Apps. Immediately, we will redirect to the dashboard, showing all the Facebook apps that this Facebook account has created so far. To create a new Facebook app, you can click directly to this blue button, or you can hover the mouse on the Facebook avatar, then select Create App. Before creating a Facebook app, Facebook will ask, what is our purpose to use this app? Because we are building the chatbot for the Facebook page, so we'll choose the first option. We will need to enter the name of the Facebook app. With the Facebook policy, remember that the name of the app will not contain keywords which related to Facebook. Next is to choose the purpose of the app. And finally, select Create App ID. Wait a moment for Facebook to create the app. We will have to complete the security check. Facebook need to know that we are not robots. Click Submit to complete the process. If you are redirected to this screen, congratulations, you have successfully created a new Facebook app. The name of the Facebook app will appear here, so we will know which Facebook app we are using. To build the chatbot, we will need the Messenger platform. So, we will add Messenger product to this app. Click the Setup button. The left bar has updated Messenger product. Next, we will set up a few basic configurations for this product. First, we will need to link this Facebook app to a Facebook page. Click Add or Remove Page. Choose to continue with your Facebook account. Select the Facebook page, which we created earlier, select Next and finally Done. Wait a moment for Facebook to process our request. If we successfully link the Facebook app and Facebook page, the name of the Facebook page will appear in this section. In the next video, we will set up a Node.js server, then configure the Facebook webhook. If you have any error during this process to create a Facebook app, please let me know by comment below this video. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next videos.